We will perform a brief TA and a brief chart. We will examine Bitcoin. Where we are sitting now, we will discuss opposition and support. What do we want to find? Will the bull run over people allow us to descend further lower? No, we haven't even begun the bull run yet. Don't be afraid or anxious. You don't have an altcoin season until you have a Bitcoin bull season, which hasn't yet reached 150, therefore I warned you to ignore everyone who is calling for one. The goals to lock onto Bitcoin are 175 to 25. At that point, Bitcoin's dominance will increase by 60, 61, or perhaps 65%, and that's when we'll start to see money moving out of the cryptocurrency. We will observe the decline in Bitcoin's dominance and the beginning of the money's rotation into all other coins. The story has always been this way. Here, nothing has changed. Not a thing. As I previously stated, the market makers were restraining the price of Bitcoin. They are instilling terror in the new buyer by keeping it down. Many new funds have entered the cryptocurrency space. They are forcing them to consider this cryptocurrency seriously. They are helping people understand that investing in this cryptocurrency opportunity is more than simply a quick money scheme. Many people got liquidated. It's common for many people to be liquidated during a bull market. The people who have been here are the holders, supporters, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. They are going to be the ones who make it through this difficult road. There is no need to check cryptocurrency every minute of the day because we will all be here and prices will be much higher. There haven't been any fireworks yet. They're on their way. 2025's first quarter will be enormous. Let's get started on this. $97,521 in Bitcoin from its peak of $108,000, it has dropped by just over $10,000. The color is crimson. Ethereum is 3.4% exiting 3,434 right now. It's down 6.2% USDT. And I shouldn't say that it's down 99 cents USDT because USDC is at its dollar peg in XRP. The hourly is showing some life. Let me tell you something, the XRP chart appears to be among the most optimistic in the entire cryptocurrency space. $2.31 is the result. It is now in the negative at 1.4% over the last 24 hours, but it has shown some life in the last hour, moving into the green at 2.5%. The XRP chart is about to be presented. I'll show you the levels of support and resistance that we are examining, and we'll repeat the same process for Bitcoin. This is a photo of my workspace. This just happened a few hours ago, and I'm finished with crypto. Folks, I threw it in. 7 years have passed since they promised to make me wealthy overnight. Right here. I'm still working as a slave. I'm still working on this. They refer to it as crypto. People actually, this isn't my office. It's not my photo. This was a mean joke. I had a lot of feedback, and DMS asked me if I would be okay. I'm alright, this isn't real. I'm going to buy the damn dip. What I'm doing is that. I'm purchasing the dip. Crypto is relatively simple to buy, sell, and trade. Here's the chart, green. Bitcoin's 21 EMA retest of the traditional textbook. This is a very classic test, and it's the last time that Bitcoin has retested the 21 EMA. Does anyone know what transpired next? We got from 66,000 to over 100,000, I'll tell you. That is precisely the identical situation that occurred next. We are preparing for the same situations that will occur in Q1. Zoom out, though, because we have already gotten a huge promotion. All things considered, in Q4 of the current year, simply zoom out a bit. After Thanksgiving, XRP was 60 cents higher. It's now holding strong above $2. That is a huge, huge game. Here's the Bitcoin chart. This is what you're looking at. It's very simple. Let me break this down for those of you who like RIP. I don't know what this is. I'll tell you what this is. You see red lines on your screen. You see green lines on your screen. Green. What is it? What's your support? Green means go, that is what we are looking for support. Red resistance means that is where we usually struggle to get above. You can see the resistance we are facing as soon as we breach 100K. 100,000 is a huge psychological barrier for crypto. So what are we sitting at right now? 97,000. We are sitting right on top of a resistance area. Can Bitcoin still go down? It could do. I believe it's going under 90,000. I don't think so. I am 99.9% sure we are never going to see Bitcoin under 90K again during this bull run unless we get some kind of crazy black swan event, which no one can prepare for. Not only do we have support sitting at about 94,500, we got another support level sitting under that at 93,700, and then we got one final last support sitting in at 91,000. We have 3 support levels that would need to get broken to send Bitcoin down into a downward spiral. One of the key levels going up for Bitcoin right around 100K. That huge psychological area barrier that we've been fighting for quite some time to get above 101,000, and then another one sitting right about 102. Once that happens, we'll get back up to that 108, the new all-time high, which it's another resistant area because it's an all-time high, and people who are going to lose faith, they're just going to hope to get the money out where they got in at 108,000. But once that is broken and 115 clears, we will be flying to the upside. I told you. Getting through 108 to 115,000 is the most difficult part for Bitcoin. 150, 175, that's the easy area for Bitcoin. Here's your XRP chart once again. Let's get that off the screen. Green, that's your support. We got support sitting at 227. We got support sitting right around 217, which we have spoken about a lot on this channel. We got 3 key support areas here for XRP. We've had a very nice bounce when we got around that 217 area, and we bounced back up to the next support around 230, where we are currently sitting on top of resistance, which is great. We need to turn this resistance of 230 into support so we can get back up to about 240 to 243. Once that is broken, we will get back to that 20-50 cent level. That same level XRP has been bouncing off of and sitting for quite some time. Look at the chart over here. We fooled around and messed around with 250 for a very long time. Up above, up a little higher, fake breakout, retest 250, couldn't hold, retest our next support at 242, couldn't hold, retest 240, couldn't hold, got back down to our areas of interest, our areas with a buyer step in between 229 and 227, got back above, came back down, test even further, 217, came back up to retest 242. We couldn't seem to break it. We came back down. It's the same cycle repeating here, and 250 is going to be the biggest thorn in the side of XRP. It will get broken. And in 270 to 272 gets broken, and then we make the run to $3. $3 is going to be a huge level for XRP. Once $3 is broken, we start to target the $350 to $4 range. Once the all-time high is way behind us, look, it's 2008, 3 cents. Show cats at it. People want to say it's 360, around 380. Forget all that. Once those are all broken and XRP enters price discovery up into that $4 region, the sky is the limit. $10 XRP. I see it next year. I see the vision. I see it coming. Could we get as high as $20 to $30? Some analysts are saying that yes, we 100% can get there. What do I say in my opinion on that? Let's first break out of the $4 to $8 range for XRP, and then let's start targeting a double-digit XRP, but we cannot talk about a $10 XRP when we are struggling to get out of this $2 region. It will break though. Trust me on this. This is going to break. You see the chart, red resistance, green support. It's all going to come to an end, and XRP is performing exceptionally well right now, getting us back above that support level. Hopefully we can stay above and make a run at that $2.38. But even if we do break that, you got 242 right around the corner. They will all fall.